Hello, welcome to Yes Things. So, today we will talk about what's the real issue I am facing with the language. You all ask, what's the language? Are we facing any issue with that? Huh. So, the language issue which I am facing is with English. How I able to improve my English? So, currently, my fluency is not that much good, but it's good, but not that much that I am able to conversate that easily. So, that's why this is the real issue, actual issue I am facing. So, in this video, I am going to cover what are the steps I should take and I have taken in the previous 1 month that helped me a lot to improve my English. So, let's get started. Okay, before starting the thing I want to achieve. So, the first thing which I want to achieve is to get a fluency, and the second thing is to able to write it great. There are so many things I want to achieve on particular English, but mainly right now it's fluency as well as I want to improve how to conversate in English. Okay, so the problem I am currently facing right now is that I am unable to form the words instantly. Like if I get a time, I can conversate. But at the moment when I'm talking to peoples, I'm not able to talk to them and able to make the word at the instant time. That's why I have come up with a great plan. And the great plan is 1 hour plan, or what you can 1 hour sufficient to improve English. So there's a great plan which said 1 hour is sufficient to improve English every day. So whatever time I get in, mainly it is at night. So generally 10 to 11 p.m. on that particular time is allocated, and that time is splitted in different parts. The first part of that allocated time is, we call it the reading part. In that reading part we just read. In that first 20 minutes of that 1 hour, we just read whatever the thing we wanted, like some articles, some newspapers, things like that. The second part of the time is another 20 minutes, that is for writing, and on that we start to write journaling. You have ever heard of the word journaling? Journaling means whatever you jot down the things what you in a daily basis. So whatever you have done or whatever emotions you have gotten, so you have to write it on copy or whatever. If you prefer laptop or tabs, whatever you can prefer, you can write it there. So this is called journaling. So 20 minutes for the journaling, and the rest 10 minutes, that is very critical one, that is where the learning started. The main critical 10 minutes is that recording videos, because recording videos in the earlier times, in earlier self-help books, it is mandate to, if you want to improve English, you have to go to the mirror and talk to it. But in today's time we have phones, so we can easily use phones for that. So that's why we will use phone and record 5-minute videos. And after recording, and what to say in that 5 minute, if you ask, good point. To the things you should write on, you should do while recording the video are general purposes, like what you have done on the day, what emotions did you feel, what do you want to improve on day. So you just have or whatever topic you want to improve, whatever topic you want to talk about, any topic you can choose. So these are the things you can talk to the camera. And after that, there is a critical point: don't just go after recording the video and just seeing it, because that will never make any sense, because you never gonna get most out of that video. So you, what you have to do, after completing the video na, just leave it and sleep. And on the next day when you wake up, after waking up, just watch that video, and after watching that video, Analyze in a three perspective. First perspective is analyze the word you have used, the the vocabulary, the pronunciation, where you have mistaken. So analyze that one. Then second one is called, just after muting the video with mute the video, whole video, and just see it, like what's the body language you are doing, what are the things you are doing. Do second, this is the second filter, and the third and the most filter is transcript that. So if you transcript it na, you will able to get key how are you formatting the word. So use that transcription and upload it to that chat gpt, and what will it will do, and there is a prompt you should use. If you like, you should go with this prompt. I prefer this prompt. Go with it. What can I improve on that particular sentence which I have spoken, and where the error I have making on which particular line. So this is the sentence you can prompt to the chat GPT, and it will help you with that. So these are the main three critical points. If you do these things, na, definitely I'm saying that it will improve. And I have personal experiences. I have done 1 month for that. Huh. I don't have that much consistency. I break that, but I try to have that much consistency to do this kind of things every day. So this will definitely gonna improve that. And for the further videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.